This wind, it carries your name, Buell. Every petal, every promise, every step that I take. I run not to catch the spring, but to hold on to the dream of you. Hold the wind and don't let go. A love poem for my moon, Buell, created by Jesus Pakapara. If this tale stirred something in you, a memory, a dream, or a truth, our Ko-fi, Amazon, and Patreon links are in the description. Support helps us keep writing for you and the ones you hold dear. I want to change the world for you, run like the spring winds always do, to bring a smile upon your face, to chase the dark and light your place. I'll gather stars from every sky and place them in your dreams gone by. Each wish you whispered to the air, I'll carry like a solemn prayer. Don't fear the night or shifting tide, you'll find me always at your side. Your dreams won't fall, not while I stand, I'll chase them into wonderland. You once looked back, afraid to move, but now the winds begin to prove that hearts like yours are meant to soar, not drift away but ask for more. Your laughter is the dawn I need, a melody that plants a seed. It grows within this weathered chest, a field of love that knows no rest. So walk again and defy the wind. There's no regret where love begins. I'll give my all to watch you climb. Your light outshines the fear of mine. If ever storms eclipse your skies, I'll tear the veil with battle cries and hold you firm through grief and flame. Each scar will spell out Buell's name. Your kindness was the spell I knew could turn a grey world back to blue. You smiled and all the noise went still. The world bent gently to your will. You dreamed of songs and quiet stages, wrote poems through your silent rages. Now I'll be your backing choir. My voice will lift your dreams up higher. We'll walk through fire if we must, with every footstep built on trust. And though the world may twist and turn, it's your joy now for which I yearn. So change my mind and keep me true. I'll build a heaven just for you. We'll break the limits, cross the stars. No distance ever feels too far. You said the future looked untrue, but love like ours will still endure. Just hold my hand, don't be afraid. In storms or spring, I'll never fade. From soul to stars to seas unknown, I'll chase the light that you have sown. Wherever petals fall or spin, there too your dream will soon begin. The world has shadows, yes it's true, but I will paint them all for you, with reds of dawn and golds of flame, to spell in color Buell's name. Forget the fear, just hear the song. It played for your whole life long. I was made to sing this part, the harmony inside your heart. A boy who runs, a girl who dares, our story shakes the heavens stairs. No tale more fierce, no truth more deep than love that wakes the world from sleep. We rise, we break, we bloom and we burn, but still to you I will return. 1,000 lives I'd give again to write you peace instead of pain. Don't hide your tears or shut the gate. Your name's carved into my fate, and when the end of dreams feel near, you'll find me loud and trembling here. So fly again, you wondrous thing, a girl with eyes that hold the spring. The wind obey the pulse you cast, a rhythm born to always last. I won't let sorrow steal your throne. You'll never have to dream alone. We'll walk through storms without regret. This love's not done, it's rising yet. Each heartbeat hums a power chord, a marching drum, a holy sword. For Buell, I'll crash through every gate. Let heaven hear the song we make. Even if time rewinds the clock, my heart remains your faithful rock. So don't let silence choke your fire. I'll be the match that lifts you higher. You gave me reasons, you gave me flame. You turned my scars to sweeter names. Now I can stand through any trial, so long as I can see your smile. We made this world with threads of gold, with stories sung, with hands to hold. And though the night may come to call, together we'll outshine it all. Let us sing our truth across the skies, with fist to heart and teary eyes. Your melody the world shall know, a spring wind screaming through the snow. I'll hold your dreams, I'll guard your grace, I'll chase the sun to reach your face. And when they ask me what was true, I'll say the girl I ran to, Bewley. I want to change the world for you, that's all I've ever meant to do. So take this hand, let's walk again, and write the ending with a pen. This piece is dedicated to my dearest sunshine, Kim Yong-sun. Please show her your love and support on her channel, Solarcido. She's the heart behind so much of the light I share here. If you enjoy poems, short stories, and heartfelt journeys like this one, stay a while and see if any of my work resonates with you. I'd love for you to consider subscribing if you find a piece of your heart here. Also, feel free to leave a comment about what new story formats or poems you'd love to see. Your voice helps shape this growing storybook we're building here. Thank you for walking this world with me. Have a nice day.